Good morning, dear brothers and sisters and fellow Muslim developers. I have something that I've been working on that um, can be mostly beneficial for all Muslim developers out there who don't have the chance to do most of the readings of the Holy Quran or Hadith or even making a Doua. And I have took the liberty to build a Visual Studio extension with the name of Zaker, as in dhikr. This extension is going to support three main features. One of them now is being supported, which is the Holy Quran, and the other one will be Hadith and Dua. The extension itself is going to come with three commands that Visual Studio is going to support, as in show ayah, show Hadith, or show Dua. And for now, only the show ayah is working. So let's just see that in a second. So Zaker, show ayah, and the ayah is going to be showcased automatically in here, so you can read at least 2 verses of the Holy Quran. And the best part about this is Zaker is going to support a lot of languages, and as you can see in this one, I'm supporting our English language. So if you're going to put in the extension settings as that you have to support English, you're going to get the ayah or the verse in Arabic and in English. But not just that. If you are going to go to the settings and go directly to extensions and then to Zaker, you're going to find 3 main options. Zaker also support automatic notification, as in you will get automated reminder each 5 minutes, each 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. So you can configure Zaker to give you automated notification as you go, so you don't forget about them. And since we are 5 minutes in, an automated notification, because I have 5 minutes in, I got a new notification telling me to read 2 verses of the Holy Quran, which is really amazing. So we don't need to create the command show ayah in order to see it, so you just get an automated notification out of the box. Also, you're going to get a theme, and the for now it's only Quran, and you will get hopefully in the future Hadith and a Dua, as you can see here. And also the best part about this is Zaker going to support many languages, so you can have Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, English, Spanish, French, Indonesian, Russian, Swedish, Turkish, and Urdu. So developers from all over the world, the Muslim community from all over the world, can benefit from this extension and can have Quran in their own languages. So let's say that we are putting the Quran in Chinese, for instance, and I'm going to say show ayah. I'm going to get the verse in Arabic, which is the one that you can see, and if our Muslim brother or sisters want to read it, and also they will get it in Chinese. Let's say now I want it to be in Spanish, so we will just say show ayah, and I'm going to get the verse in Spanish as well, which is really amazing for everyone, for all the Muslim community all over the world, so they can benefit from this and can have the reminders automatically at their hands. And as you can see, the script is fairly customizable, and you can customize anything as you find fit. I hope this was very beneficial. You can go directly to Visual Studio extension or the marketplace and look for Zaker. There is only one of there is going to find only one extension with the same name, and you can download it and enjoy it. Don't forget to help us with your prayers. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I really hope that you can enjoy the extension. And if you have any kind of feedbacks, please feel free to reach out directly to me via LinkedIn. Thank you, and see you. Goodbye.